Okay, after the morning I had, guys, somebody was about to lose their job. Get this dance. So my package had said delivered to the front desk, right? Where I live at, there's no front desk here. So I was like, somebody done stole my drip. Anyways, but it's a miscommunication after talking to the supervisor. The person, the UPS person, finally came back and delivered my package. Anyways, that's neither here or there. So when I seen this collection drop on Louis Vuitton last fall, I wanted it and it sold out within like a week. The Louis Vuitton, let me correct myself. Collaboration with the League of Nations. And after I did a little digging, I called around, I called to Paris, and I even called to Tokyo, something crazy like that. And I was able to get this piece. This is the unboxing. I was able to get it shipped to New York, and then they shipped it to my mom's place out here. And this is the unveiling, guys. Let's see. So excited. The infamous orange box. Ooh. Guessing it's my receipt in here. Yeah. Okay. So it even smells like smells like money. Oh, it's so cute. And here it is. So this is the mini Palm Springs Louis Vuitton collaboration. Isn't it so cute? Oh, where's the part to go to my zipper though? Where's my gold zipper at? It better be inside here. Y'all know the gold zipper I'm talking about. That's what makes it like so unique. It's a little stock card. It might be in a pocket. Where is it? I don't know. I think it's in a pocket, but I'll find it. But this is the bag. And because I'm so obnoxious, I wanted to get the shoes that match the design, but it is completely sold out. So I got the next best thing. You guys already know what I love. And second package. And it's the bucket hat. Ooh. Ah, so cute, right? So cute. Let's see if it fits. Oh, this shit is dope. Ah, the girl gonna be too cute. Can't get the matching shoes, but I bought some other shoes in LV the other day, so they will have to do, but I'm obsessed. Y'all know I love a mini bag, and you know, Louis Vuitton is my favorite brand, so just wanted to share this with you guys. I was so sad because I thought the UPS girl stole it. But, yay, can't wait to rock this. Don't know where the hell I'm going, but yeah.